Just gotta give me full control. Try to let the shoulder relax a little bit more. Just let it become jello. We're gonna drop this. You can kind of feel that.
That would left me speechless. Wow. That one was the best so far.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome.
That felt like really stuck and.
I feel like it's been building up since 2016.
Just needed that release.
Yeah. Wow. Awesome.
Happy for